Hello, body thanks. Welcome to Push. Guys, you can't believe what I found you. Just look at it. Yeah, it look like my peanuts. Like peanuts. Yeah, can you see this little round fruit here? It look bloody delicious there. The Kakaikai tribe used to call it the ronde saaitjie, rooi velletjie, poop shoot, hol verstopperd. Thing, okay. It looked delicious, but don't go and chew this thing because it's not bloody dangerous. Okay. When you swallow it, nee, it goes in a sluk darm. You pass your Adam's apple, nee. And if you are a woman, it are called a Eva's peer. It goes down a sluk darm, past the lungs and the heart. It goes into the intestines. It settles in your stomach there. Creates a little bit of a turbulence there, almost like the weather report there at Von Drienen's past. And then it gets you your poop shoot and it gets stuck there. Okay. You burst out in a bloody sweat there. And you can't breathe there because your poop shoot are verstopt there. You look like a hardlywige krimpvarkie. Yeah, and eventually when it comes out, you nearly break the bloody porcelain motorbike. Yeah. But with that, I just want to say that the weather for tomorrow is absolutely fantastic. We're looking at maximum degrees of 17 at Von Drienen's Pass. So have a bloody amazing week. Okay, thanks.